Aloha everyone, my name is Joan Haney. My family and friends call me the Prepper Mom. For over 41 years now, I've been living a prepping and self-reliant lifestyle with my awesome husband, Scott. We have been teaching for over 20 years and have personally taught over 2,000 families how to get prepared. All the way from food storage, making a plan, knowing what you need, how much you need, where to get it, how to store it, all that, and including 72-hour kits. We used to do 3-day backpacking trips. We also teach emergency communications, bug out totes, blackout boxes, hygiene, anything that you can think of, gardening, whatnot, raising livestock. We've owned 3 farms and lived in town twice, owned 1 home in town in Colorado Springs, and we've raised gardens everywhere we live, raised livestock everywhere in all different climates. We were even raising rabbits when we lived in Germany. So we've made a lot of mistakes, we've had a lot of successes, and we perfected the Prepper Ready system and are excited to share that with you at the Thrive and Survive Preparedness Fair this coming Memorial Weekend. Y'all take care, God bless, look forward to seeing you, have an awesome day.